comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, here comes the sun. Sun 202 by 203 right now, went to 205. We're in the MOJO Day Trade room. Hello, everybody. It's March 13th, Monday. Pro Trader Mike and the rest of the team right here. Let me turn the room on. We just did a great poll. Everybody got a free day in here. Everyone likes the nature of the room. Got a lot of new free signups today. I'm going to sell some Sun Edison right now. I have two positions right now in the room, one of this stock, SUNW, and one of Sun. Right now, I have 50,000 shares left of Sun and 3,600 shares left of this little PC tag along. So right here, we're going to sell a couple thousand shares, 5,000 shares into this rally at 204 on Sun Edison, 5,000. Last time we bought this thing was 196. Here's the room. Say hello, everybody. So here's got 105 left today. Hold on a second. Let me pop myself out right there. Fix up the room. Perfecto. Squeeze up these announcements. Here we go. So we got Sun Edison filled 196 right here. Boxing it. We sold some already over 2 and we Heinzed it this morning right here. Right off the open, 196. We did Twitter through 17 and Dust through 350. Started selling Dust at 364, half left. Sold some soon at 204. Now I'm doing it again at 204. Well, here's the Dust, 377. First, let me explain the share and position sizing I'm going to do today. And I can't play too much of this Beatles song because when you play the Beatles, such guarded music, they block all your videos. So most of the people that I saw today were just dazed and confused. That's for sure. All I know is I was right today on a lot of stocks, including some Sun Edison. Okay. I think I may be right on this Sun right here. The Sun's coming. Sold partial 204. They're taking it. We have this other little Sun tag along right there. That's the difference of the shares. So right here you could see I have 47,000 shares left of Sun at 197 average. I've already made 2,500, unrealized 2,500 versus a much smaller position of this one, the Sun Works down there. So you could see the Sun is like the gorgeous date that I had this morning. Very liquid. Amazing. She was sweet. And she cashed me in right there with 5 G's. And this is her little puppy tag along, her little chihuahua, the barking little annoying little thing that I threw a bone to shut it up. And let's see what it does. Right now, the little doggy's got me down 266, but Mama's got me up 25,000. So on the day, I'm plus 4,800. That's how you trade. So you got to know share size, what's going on with the share size, how to appropriately do the share size. Okay, look, they're taking that 204. So look, guys, that's how you do that. We traded Twitter this morning as well. Twitter made a beautiful run. We did a 3 long bar into a V-band break. 1, 2, 3. Sold here into the Cupid top. We retapped here, and I took a profit right here on this bar back through 17. It was a perfect trade. Then we did the same thing on Dust. I just sold some of that soon at 04. All right, so here's what happened with dust. Dust, we had the same thing, V-bar break right here through 50 where I called it right here in the room, and then it made a 3-bar break, 1, 2, 3, which I teach in MOJO University, went right up here into this Cupid top, came down, and you resold here into the 1, 2 tap. However, people were like, dude, look at this thing go up to 390. With this bar, we didn't get. We sold one there. I sold number 2 here. I sold number 3 here, and I was flat. This bar right there, I didn't pay for. It's not my money. The analogy I gave in the room is we went out and we skied this morning, and this one is, I think it symbolized, I think it's this. It's the green run. Let me change it to green. You got the green. When you go skiing, you have the easy run. That was easy. That was a green. That was easy run. Okay, I agree. Then we tapped it up here, and this was the blues. So now we tapped it up into the harder run, the blues. Okay, then we took it up. I don't think black will work, so I'll just do it in red again. And this one was the triple black diamond, the double black diamond. There, I don't ski that. That's danger. Okay, this one, that's the diamond. This one is the triple black diamond. So I'll ski the diamond, but I won't ski the triple black diamond or the double black. I'll go for the green, the blue, and the hard diamond, but I'm no way going and risking anything up here. That's not my money. And if you have that philosophy when you're skiing, how many runs you're going to do, how much you're going to risk, you know what I mean? So let's see what Sun's at. Sun's 205 now. We traded it from here up into that, sold it, rebought it back here, sold it here, rebought it back here, and we're selling it here. Let me sell a little bit more. Gonna go, I got 45,000 left. 15,000. 204. Bring it down to 30. And as long as it keeps on rising up, I'll keep on selling it. I just sold 15,000. Done. I'm up right now 3,658 for the day. I am down 279 on that little piece of scribble. See the scribble? I'm going to add on the scribble. What do I got? 3,600. What's it? 312. Watch. I'm going to buy 500. No, I'm going to buy 400 to even up my thing. I'm going to go to 313 bid. You're going to see it go to 1. Like that guy wants to sell 100 shares. Yeah, bullshit. He wants to sell a lot more. Just like I only want to buy 100 shares at 313 when I have 400 shares there. So that's what you call hiding an order in the level 2. I'm selling 4, but I'm only showing 100. It's a fake. That's what they do. So you see all these numbers, they're all fake. Okay? Sun's 206. I'm going to sell 1,000 at 206. I'm going to sell 1,000 at 207 and 1,000 at 208. See how many of them they take. And guys, this is not a demo. This is real. You want to see the demos? Here's the demos. You know, if I wanted to trade on a demo, I can just go, I can take this account right here on the demo. I can load it up right now to $5 million and I can demo myself to death if I wanted to, but not necessary. So here's all the demos for today. We only have 5 people trading. These are all blank. So we have one guy made $10, 75, 165, 180, and 422 on the day. Great job. Great job. Testing out another demo platform right now. that is real nice. Always trying new platforms. And that's it. So let's scroll these positions back over here. And let's watch the stock, see what we could do.
Well, yes.
Oh, makes a good idea. I think so too. You guys did a 25-for-1 reverse split. So it's at 23.59 divided by 25 is equivalent to 94 cents. Here's that stock Rex I picked this morning. So you'll see some of the other people that were in my free pass. If they came and they picked Rex today on their video or their highlight, they were in my room this morning and I picked it down here as a pick. If they pick Sun Edison down here, my pick. If they pick this Sunwork, my pick. And if they pick Dust and you were trading that, my pick. They're just in my room giving you my pick. So why follow them? Just go with the leader and so forth. So I just bought that 400. I now have 4,000 shares of SUNW. Perfect. I have one more 1,000 to buy. It's traded in a volume for me to sell by the end of the day, no matter where it is. And that's it. I'll bring my cost basis to like 318 and I'll sell half at 18, half at 20, and we'll see what the rest does. Stock still has potential. Just got to be patient. So I got some orders lined up on Sun, 205, 206, 207, 208. I have 29,000 shares left. Started the video at 60 and change. I'll go down to 20 and then I'll rebuy. That's how it works. So let's see what else we got going on.
Friday night I crashed your party.
Who's crashing my party?
Saturday I said I'm sorry. Sunday came, trashed me out again.
And we got a lot of people on the free chat day up here today. See them all? I got to deal with this guy who made his name Pro Trader. Let's see who this clown is. First of all, let's see how many times he's been here. We can't ban him yet. Pro Trader E. Statistics. He's been here 73 times. So Pro Trader E, you're banned from my room, dude. Ooh. See, that's not good, guys. Abe, let's see how many times you've been here. Abe's been here 12 times. Abe, if you ever want to come back in, info@mojodaytrading.com. See, all these people will never join. They're freeloaders from other rooms. Adam, statistics. Never been here before. Welcome, my friend. Adam Graves, statistics. 28 times. Adam Graves, you're banned from MOJO Day Trading. Andrew, you're a customer already. Anthony, you're a customer. Ari, let's see how many times you've been here. 78 times. See you, dude. Let's see what he's got to say for himself. He's typing something. Please don't ban me. I'll join. Aris, let's see how many times you've been here. 1 time. Welcome. You remember? Bart Clayton. How many times you've been here? Once. Welcome, Bart. Benoit Lavarete, you're French. You've been here once. Welcome. Brett Miller, you're a member. Bruce David, how many times you've been here, brother? Once. Welcome. Delcan, you're taking Mojo U. DP, I remember that. Now you've been here a lot. 52 times from Arizona. You're done. See ya. At least change your name, guys, when you do it coming back. It's ridiculous. Floyd's a member. Fin Trades. Oh, you're definitely from another room. I don't like your name. Gus Saran. Once. Welcome, Gus. See how good this room is? Mike, I've been here, changed my name, Pro Trader. I've passed you. Okay, well, listen, come back, go join, and welcome back any other time. You're banned. See ya. Hernius is a member. Heather is a member. Juan Pablo Luis Madu is a member. Markley is a member. Mr. Mate is not a member. 103 times, Mr. Mate. See you, dude. 103 times. You better be like a member. Email me. If I'm banning you and you're a member, just because you made a different name today, just email me back. And if I banned you and you join, no problem. I'll get you back in. Statistics. Once. You're good. Nacho Montanus. What a made-up name. Once. Pizza Pie. 10 times. See you, Pizza Pie. I pay for these seats, guys. All these seats I pay for. So why are you going to come back 60 times? 60 times cost me $60 to have you here. Nobu, how many times? Once. No problem. Pro Trader GC, 7 times. Cost me $7. See you later. Let's see who else we have. Sean Paprick. You got to later. You owe me money. Sean, that's you got nerve to know your PayPal is skipped and told me you're going to pay and not pay and be in the room. That's rude. Statistics. 1 time. Sue, how you doing? Sue's been here once. Tech Talk. Once. Trader Brian. Probably many. Once. Clyde. 25 times. See you, dude. Trader TJ. 5 times. See you, TJ. And the reason why I'm banning everyone is because they've already had time to join, and they haven't. So we don't need them here. Hi, Viet. How you doing? Viet's been a member of Mojo for 3 years. Viet had no belief in the beginning. Viet was a losing trader in the beginning, had a lot of problems. Now Viet's a good trader. Nice. Cool. So we cleaned up the room a little bit. So I didn't sell any of these at 205. I didn't sell any of those. I got 29,200 left. Probably going to go under 2. I'll rebuy it. I'm going to sell 1,000 at 204. You know, I'll reline them up. Watch. I'll put them in order. I'll go watch. We'll go 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, and 210. And just leave them. What's that other piece of crap doing? Oh, Sun W. Now I can buy the other. How many? I got 4,000. Now I can buy the other 1,000. And then I may bump it because people that short this thing, this is the first pick in the room this morning. I may buy like 25,000 shares and bump it back because they're going to be looking to. So watch how I do this. This is 500. 307. I'm not buying 100. I'm buying 500. See that 309? I'll pay 10. Done. I'll pay up to 10. See that 310 right there, that 1,000? The 5, they're shorting it against me. Done. Buy the 5. Buy the 5, they're shorting against. See, they're shorting right here. That's people in the room right now shorting it. You see that? They're shorting it against us. Look, they're telling their room, short it, short it. Mojo bump now. Mojo now. Third buy. We did 100, 200. Now let's burn the shorters. Don't let them cover. Don't let them cover. Don't let them cover. They can't cover nothing. Done. Fill 302. Long buy. Fill and buy down here. They ain't buying crap. Bidding 303. Buying 305. Done. They ain't buying nothing. Adding down here. 305 again. Done. Filled. Adding again. 305. Done. Filled. Buying 6. You guys ain't buying crap. My average is 310 now. Suckers. Sucker, sucker, sucker. That's what I call all you guys. Suckers. Ha, you ain't doing nothing. Now what are you going to do? Now what are you going to do? You have to buy it back through 310. Thank you. Now what are you going to do? Now what are you going to do, big shots? Aha. I'm going to buy some more. I'm going 307 bid. You ain't buying it there. Done. 306. You ain't buying it. Done. How do you like that? Yeah, you got to go 308 and up me, biatch. That's right, baby.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
They ain't getting shizzle off Mojo. Nobody shorting against me. Nobody. I haven't even put buying power. I could buy 600,000 shares of the stock right now if I wanted to and send it to 350 and burn you all. But I don't want to hold that much of that because I love Sun Edison instead. Sun Edison's 206. I got 29,200 shares left of that sucker. I ain't even telling you how many shares of Sun W I got. Still trying to buy 306. See that crap? I know where you all are. Only takes 100 shares for me to know where you are. That's all I know. Selling 1,200 at 206 on Sun. Guys, this is a live stock trading show. You can't do that. Don't you know that? You can't do that. Stock's traded 642,000. Look at the volume bar on it, dudes. It's going to trade 1 million. It's going to firm back up, may even go green and go to 390. Then what are you going to do? Then what are you going to do? Yeah, look at it go up now. Now what are you going to do? Let's take our focus off that little piece of crap. Focus on the good one that's working. Let's see what we got. Mankind in the swing. $1.46. We own Mankind right here at $1. We have MGNA. Beautiful. Mags. Beautiful. We own Mags down here. What else? We got Broadwind Energy down here. We own Vivis down here. Vivis is breaking out. I told you Vivis would do exactly like Mankind. I told you that, right? Look at my video from the other day. It'd be exactly like Mankind. Where's that swing? Here it is. We own Vivis. I think I've already taken a profit on half. Take a look. Results. Swing trade results. Vivis. We haven't taken profits on Vivis. Let's do that. Vivis. We own at 105. You guys did not do a reverse split. We have you guys at 85. It's 23.71. We have 85 times 25. We own it at 21.25. We own this one at 73 cents times 25. We own it at 18.25. That's a good one. 5 points on that one. And we own Sun at 185 is 204. And we own Sun this morning right here at 195 is 205. We have ICLD is even. We have apps up 15%. We have you guys up 11. Vivis up 16. Taking profits on Vivis. $1.05. We already sold Mankind right there at $1.10. Could have held it, but I didn't. I had Vivis. I knew Vivis would go just as well. And Vivis will sell a quarter of the position into $1.22 plus. Let's see what the high is for the day. It shows it on my sheet. Vivis, the high of the day is 122. Here it is now. So we're going to go quarter position closed, 122. Some more throughout the day, up 16%. 25, 24, up 96%, 32 average for the game for the month. Broadwind 195 is 207. Jiva we're down a little bit. This one we're doing good. Mags we're at 440. Apps we got at 120. UVXY we're doing good with, and everything else we're doing good with. And that's it. And we have GBIM, and this one have not triggered yet. And these are all the Mojo Swing members. What's up? Here's my chat area. I can say hello to all my subscribers. All right, let's see what we got. We've got Sun 203 by 204. We'll sell some. They didn't take any. Yeah, they took some. It's going lower. 1,203. 203, 204, 206, 310. What's this one? That's another one. Buying 302. Let's just cancel every order and just chill. So right now I have 600 more shares to buy of Sun. I have 9,400 shares of 311. I'll either sell some here and then sell some higher, be flat by the end of the day. I've made 3,700 on Sun and another 1,600 unrealized. There's about 5,500, $6,000 minus that. I'll walk away with 5,000 today trading, which is a very nice day. Let's see how everyone else did today. Daily goal 313. We've done 10 trades in Sun Edison, Dust, SUNW, Twitter. In regards to hitting your daily goals, how did everyone do today? Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Clara Comer, let's see how many times you've been here. Once. Bruce David, how many times you've been here? Once. Gary Sealer, just once. Welcome everybody. Harry Scott, once. Gus. Nice job on your goals today, everyone. Hey, what's up, everybody? We'll get the room back to normal tomorrow. Nice job on your goals. 15 people hit their daily goal. Nice.
Yes.
One person needs more trades. 3 people do.
N-O.
Yeah, you're not even supposed to be trading these people. Gary's a free guy. Who else? Tech Talk's a free guy. And Pro Trader Jose. Too bad. And Hernandez needs figure. Too bad. Let's see. You may get one if you hang around. And paper trading, everyone made money. Great job. Great job. I think we did another poll today. Let's see what it was. Let's see what it was. It was, do you understand the difference this morning of why Gorgeous Soon was very liquid and the tag along the small fry, SUNW, we threw it a bone. Good boy, good boy. Now we're going to look to get out of it, lose a little bit or whatever. Lose, who cares? That's what we do. We're just not letting the shorters win, that's for sure. Let's see what the other one was. The other one was, that was it. Everyone understood that. We got 303 by 305. Sting touches 310. We'll sell a little bit at 910. Maybe even I'll sell some here. They need to buy some back. I'll wait. I'll wait. KNDI 879 doing beautiful today. Very nice. Guys, look, 930 bar. Power. 1045. See that? Mojo University understands everything that I just said. Everybody else is like, what is he talking about? So that's it. That's the show for today. Thank you, everybody. I'm glad you attended. We'll do the same thing tomorrow. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Shakalaka. Boom, boom.
I was only having fun. Wasn't hurt
Go soon.
anyone. And we all enjoyed the weekend for a change. I was stranded in the combat zone. I walked